Hi, this is Jana Montes. In this video, I am going to share with you on how you are going to share your screen while you are live on Facebook. Watch it, guys. Okay, right now I am using my Acer laptop. Okay, so you don't have to use OBS anymore. I mean, not a desktop, it's a laptop. Okay, so what you are going to do is add an extension. You must use Google Chrome. So at this part, okay, this application, just click it here and choose web store, this one. So you will be redirected in this page here, and just type Facebook screen sharing. Let's check. Okay, screen sharing. Okay, this one. Just click the Facebook screen sharing. So since I already installed this thing here, the to connect me screen sharing, so I already connected it here. And so after that, after connecting this to connect me screen sharing, just use, okay, just go over to your Facebook, and then just go live here. Okay, since I don't wanna go live into another group, so I choose to go live which only me can see this thing. So you will be directed here, and just choose share screen. So since I already installed the extension, the Facebook screen sharing extension, Facebook will no longer prompt me to, or redirect me to the store. So I can just click it here right away, and then click this icon here, see, and then share. Okay, so it it will look like this thing. Okay, so after that, just go just press the go live here. Okay, did you see that? This one, just click the go live, and voila, your screen has been sharing already. So now let's move on to the other application. Okay, so let's see, let's Google here. Google, like, what do you want to check? Okay, as you have noticed here, it says stop sharing because you are sharing your screen. So let's say you're gonna watch YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna watch YouTube here. Then pick a topic that you would like to share. Eat, sleep, and trade. Eat, sleep, and trade. Eat. Actually, guys, while it is shared on YouTube, you cannot hear any sound. Okay, you cannot hear any sound. So okay, let's see, it's still sharing here. So it says here stop sharing. So okay. Oh yeah, okay, let's check it out. um okay, let's go back to, let's move to, oh yeah, it's still there. So it's already, I mean, it's still been sharing. So let's check. Okay, let's stop, check whether it is, or is it working or not. Okay, let's see here. Let's close this one. Oh, your live video has ended. So let's, okay, done. Let's see if it is already working. We're gonna refresh the Facebook, and then okay, here it is. Already. So now let's move on to, okay, can you see that? Other application. Okay. So let's see. Let's Google here. Google, like, what do you want to check? So okay, it's Facebook. As you have noticed here, it says stop sharing because you are sharing your screen. So let's say you're gonna watch YouTube. Okay. You know what? So see, it's working. It's very easy, guys. Oh yeah, that's it. This is the video. This is the video from my, oh, that I just recorded. So just check it out, guys. It's very easy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you think my video was helpful for you, please hit the like button below and subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much.